All right, guys, shooting this video to show you something pretty cool. It's a product. It's called Alert Command. That's it right there. I'll tell you what I like about this baby. This thing, pretty simple, but you hook it up, and what it does is when you're wherever you're at, if the shore power goes out, if it be somebody hit a pole, if it's a storm or whatever, this thing's going to start your generator. And what's nice about that, well, when you're somewhere in the middle of the summer, it's 100 degrees out, you take off on your motorcycles, and all of a sudden the shore power goes out back at camp, your dogs are in there, guess what? That generator kicks on, ACs come back on, and the dogs are safe. I'm going to show you how we did this right now. So Marcia, why did you want this unit?
Because I love my puppies. Both of them.
I love your puppies too, baby. Let's go ahead and let's put this in. Now, I'm going to show you where this hooks up. I'm going to show you all the hookups. And I got to tell you, I looked at it. You can go on the web at their website, and I thought, oh boy, I don't know if I want to do this. Folks, it's really simple. All right, let me get in here, and I don't want to mess too much with this because it has power. All right, guys, this is your automatic transfer relay switch. You're going to tie into this. You can see I've already mounted this box, and I got my wires coming up here. And there's only two wires. I kind of got them all right here, but there's a positive and a neutral wire that come right up here that go in this box. I'll show you a little more. Okay, right here, when you pull this cover off, which goes up here like this, but when you pull it off, you can see in here all the wiring they have, how this thing comes in from your shore power, where your shore power is, and all that. It's pretty neat. We came in, and our two wires, we loosened this, came in with our two wires. You can see our red wire right there. I don't want to get much closer because, like I said, this is live. And there's our black wire right there. And I do not have my glasses on right now, so I'll be telling you the numbers on these terminals where it's hooked up to. Very simple. After you do that, you close this box up and you're finished with the transfer switch. No more. Right here, you can end up seeing where the unit is hooked up, and we're on right now. This thing is on. And there's all my wires. We just went from the transfer switch, which we got our shore power. So when the shore power goes off, it tells this unit, hey, we got to start the generator. Then these other wires here, there's three other sets. The big set, it goes right over to the generator with this big one. And then the other one, we have to have battery power, a positive and negative. That's it with the wiring. Let's continue. Hardest things is to figure out where and how to run your wires. The one thing we had to drill through right down here, let's see, well, my light isn't too bright. We had to drill down right through here and put in our wire here. On the Alliances, there are two pieces of steel here, this top sheet metal and one more piece. But we came down from there and we came into the generator. You can see our wire right there coming down. All right, now nothing is 100% sure thing. There ain't no such thing. But with this unit, you're going to put the odds so much in your favor, you probably will never have a problem. We come to the generator now. Come over here so you can see. You come to the generator now, and we go ahead and pull this off. Our wiring is coming in. If you go to their manual, you will see where they have this thing hooked up on these white wires. Well, as you can tell, I don't have a lot of white wires to hook all these connectors on. So I emailed them and I said, hey, I got so much more wire right here. I mean, a lot extra wire coming in on the other side of this switch, which is this plug is right here. I mean, look at it. It goes way back there. There's a lot there. I got plenty to work with. So I said, can I just hook up on this side of it? And they said, yeah. So I went ahead and hooked up all the wires. They gave you the wire code for it. Now I've got different wires coming in, different colors. I tried staying red with red, and on mine green with green. Black became the brown wire, yellow became the orange wire. But you just remember and write it down so when you go to hook it up at the box, everything is there. But I went ahead and wired all this up. So that really, with these connectors, that really did not take no time at all. Most of the time was wondering, can I go ahead and go on the other side of that switch? So the generator is now wired. We went through there, and then we also went over here to the battery. And with the battery, we just ran our positive and negative, and then we ended up coming all the way back over, and I think we went in right here is where we went in at. So all this is wired right now. We got the transfer switch, we got the generator. I think it's 4 wires with the generator. That's it, 4 wires, you're done. And everything comes in. I showed you the transfer switch. There's our little wire there. I can tell right from here with all the wirings, I can tell you each wire what it's for. Down here, those 2 wires, that's the 2 wires that went to your transfer box. They're plugged in. Be sure to turn off the power when you do that. Now these other wires and these plugs, they pull out. There's 2 screws in there and you can pull them out. And then it has screws to hook your wires in and tighten down. Then you hook all these wires up, and the 2 wires from the battery are right here. I tied them in. They came in this little piece here. They tied in. Guys, that's it. That's it. And what's neat about this unit, I mean, I can have it off. When we leave and the unit just sits out here, I have it off. When we're on the unit, I usually leave it on all the time. And you notice here it's going to show cell modem. Well, this unit also, for a monthly fee, and you can turn it on and off, you can, I believe it sends text messages to you if the generator started, or if this happened or that happened. And on this unit, since we got a gas generator, it gives you something like 7 seconds of prime before it goes to start. Okay, everything on this thing is wired, and like trying to show you, it's not much to it, guys. There isn't much at all to it. And what we're going to do is a little test. See how this works. We're going to kill the shore power. Simulate somebody ran into a pole, knocked the power out, or whatever. There's no more power at the RV resort. And we're going to see how that works out. Hold on. And killing my power. Power has been killed. Minute and 30 seconds, it'll start priming, it'll shut off, and then after that, we have generator. I want you to stand here. I'm going to give you the thumbs up when I shut it down, and then you just stay here after you see the thumbs up. You push, just look at the generator, okay? Like I said, nothing is 100% foolproof, but man, you put your odds in your favor for your puppies. And why do you do this? Come on out here, guys. Come on. Come on. Where are you guys doing? Hey. Sprocket. How?
Little buddy.
That's why you do it. All right, this is one of their pages on their website. When you go to the bottom of the page, you'll find a place that says installation manual. It's on the bottom left-hand side. I clicked on that, and from there, it'll take you to a place where you can download the installation manual. And once you download it, you have everything there. I downloaded it to my phone so I could look at it while I was working on it. And there's that plug with all the white wires. I went to the other side because they said you can wire in there. And I just hope this helps you out, makes you feel better about leaving your puppies behind. Later.